So I am, as Julie mentioned, one of 3 co-leads of the Healthy Eating and Nutrition Subcommittee. I'm Tammy Ho. I'm an associate professor in gender and sexuality studies. And my department actually sponsors a Bachelor's of Science in Sustainability Studies. So we look at the environment through a feminist lens in relation to sustainability and social justice. And I actually teach a food class in my department almost every year. And my other co-leads are Cassandra Greenwald, who works at UC Path, but she's actually a UCR alum, as well as a dietitian. And she does training and education, mobile fit classes, and is amazing. And then there's Dr. Tara Nordgren, who is my other faculty co-lead. And sorry, she's an assistant professor of biomedical sciences at the UCR Medical School. So we work together with students, graduate students, undergrads, as well as staff members on various projects. So we have, if you visit our website, you can see links for healthy cooking and recipes that include text recipes, as well as YouTube video links, and the Seeds of Change program, in which we're working with UCR Catering to promote healthy and well-balanced diet at UCR events. And then we're also working with the convenience store at Hub, Scotty's, to better label items so that students, staff, and faculty who are running in there to grab a snack or to get your meals can make better choices about what healthy snacks are available on campus. And we're also working with the vending machine folks, various branches around trying to get more non-carbonated, non-sugar drinks on campus and better options at the vending machines. So again, check out our website. It's fantastic. So one of our undergrads actually put together a healthy cookbook, which you can check out on our website. And as Julie encouraged me, I actually made 3 recipes from this cookbook, which I was hoping to show you. I'm not sure if I can pull that off, but I did make a video, so maybe we'll put it on our website. So if you look at this picture in the middle, I made salmon orzo, which orzo is a kind of Italian pasta. It's like rice. And I made it with salmon and asparagus and a lemon dill sauce, and it was amazing. I also made banana pancakes with only 3 ingredients: banana, eggs, and cinnamon. So no butter, no flour, no gluten, and tasted really remarkably like a buttermilk flour pancake with banana. But the banana and cinnamon made it sweet and savory, and you had potassium and the sugar and the eggs for protein. And my partner was shocked at how satisfying they were. And then I also made a mango coconut smoothie, which you can see next to the cookbook picture, with coconut milk, frozen mango, chia seed. So chia is one of the grains of the Americas. It's used in indigenous diets. It's chock full of great nutrients. And so, yes, that was also very satisfying, both as a snack on the run or as a kind of dessert item, or perhaps even a meal substitute, because the chias, has such great ingredients. So, oh yeah, that was where I was going to try and show you my video of cooking, which you'll have to see on the website. And then if you look at our website, there are a bunch of links to our various branches and partners on campus. So the Global Food Initiative is a UC-wide initiative. Our pantry obviously is particular to our campus. And if you, on the bottom right, the Alta Taste UCR SRC link is where you can meet Chef Val, who is amazing. She works at the Recreation Center. She is the wellness program coordinator and a professional cook. And so she's uploaded 16 videos to help us learn how to cook and cook at home. So I recommend that you check those out.